This is the only place in Alanya where you can buy your own garden duplex with its own private pool, so don't miss out the opportunity. Here we are in Oba district to show you a beautiful showroom here in this fully facility residential complex. So if you're ready, let's get started. Social activities here include an indoor and outdoor swimming pool, fitness, sauna, jacuzzi, a steam room, a barbecue area, playing area for kids, and of course, many more. This is a 2+1 duplex showroom apartment with a total area of 119 meters square. On the first floor, we've got an American-style kitchen, a toilet, a living room, and on the second floor, we've got 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, and a balcony with an amazing view. Around 16 apartments for sale here in this project, and they vary from 1+1 to 2+1 penthouses and 2+1 garden duplexes. So for more information, don't hesitate to contact us. Wish you have a nice day.